in the highest, so worthy to merit my praise. Oh, for 1,000 tongues to sing praises unto Him. Oh, for 1,000 hands to raise in honor to the King. Oh, we crown you with our singing. Oh, and our lips, Lord, they shall utter your name. We're here in humble adoration, in endless refrain. Oh, for 1,000 tongues to sing praises unto Him. Oh, for 1,000 hands to raise in honor to the King. Oh, for 1,000 hands to raise in honor to the King. Oh, for 1,000 hands to raise in honor, in glory, in honor, in glory, in honor to the King. Oh, in honor to
Oh, and they got so red, their heads nearly blew off. Look at how red that head is right there.
I don't sing that high.
Well, He's worth it. The Lord is worth it. Blow your head off singing about Him. We're going to have a good time here tonight, people. I can already tell. Colorado, we are here. Wish you all were here. I wish you all were here. I need to write a song called I Wish You All Were Here.
I like that hook.
All right, y'all. That's when I'll sing when we're in heaven.
Wish you over here.
You know, you remember when Y2K? Wait, what was it? Y2, or some preacher in the last few years had everybody shook up that Jesus was coming back. Remember that?
Oh, yeah, I
I
remember.
was still with the vocal band, and my brother was really he always kind of worries about this kind of stuff. I mean, the Y2K, he's loaded up with guns and food, and after Y2K happened and nothing happened, I said, now you need to have a block party and feed all those people you would have kept away at gunpoint had there been a Y2K. But anyway, so, what was I about to say?
You were talking about Y2K. People getting worried.
Oh, people getting worried. Oh, yeah, that guy. Well, so my brother was all worried about thinking the Lord's coming back that day. And I'm, any day could happen. Okay, why not? So after the time had passed, I texted him and said, "Hey, where are you? I'm at the pearly gates. What happened?" They got cell service up here. Oh, Lord. Well, y'all have a good night. We're here in Colorado Springs. Bye.
We also see you later.